Good morning, JB Electric. Here is someone else had done this service panel. We're doing a job over in Banning. They did a nice job actually. And then they got a main breaker disconnect right here, 100 amp, which feeds this panel, which feeds the rest of the house. This house is probably built early 20s. You can tell by the garage. Look at the garage. Old-fashioned garage. I can kind of see Bonnie and Clyde kind of pulling in here, closing those doors so the cops can't get them. But anyways, this is how old this place is. Really old, really old. But the new owner wants to fix a couple of things, and we're not going to fix everything here. Look at this. This guy was a rebel. They tore out the panel. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in a 30 amp panel right here, and we're just going to re-energize like this light here, which is for this garage here. We're not going to worry about any of this other crap in here because they had illegally turned it into an apartment. But what we're going to do is we're going to isolate the ones we need. We need this, and then we've got a unit in here. This is basically the only thing we're worrying about is this guy right in here. He wants to have this light work and these outlets work. And I think this is how it's fed. My son seems to think it's the other way around, like this way over to here. But I think it comes in there and that would feed all the rest of these. Either way, it'd probably be easier to do it this way here. Regardless, that's what we're doing today. Yeah, this place is a little bit archaic and just a little old. Yeah, you can tell they'd put some old stuff in here and made an apartment out of it. But anyways, all right, you guys have a blessed day. Take care.